Hola chicos, hoy es jueves el 11 de febrero de 2021. Hoy tenemos para empezar. Choose to work on either your Quizlet or your Ser versus a Star activity. Now in class we sometimes review old Quizlets, so I highly suggest you guys doing that as well. A lot of us struggled on our writing assessment to think of what is the word to buy. That was all the way from Unit 1, that's comprar. So again, encourage you to do that. All of your grades are up to date as of yesterday, so I'm excited about that. Again, I apologize that those took so long to get in. So go ahead and check your grade. You're watching today's lesson. Your homework's going to be the near future. You can click that link. Finally, your OCMC reminder. The date has snuck up on us quickly. February 16th is next Tuesday, so make sure to get your project done and turned in. That's your wax figure, your poster, or your musical performance. Alright chicos, so to get started we're going to fill in the following paragraphs with conjugations of ser or estar. Now remember from yesterday our acronyms doctor and place. Where did they go? Oh, over here. Remember, doctor is description, origin, characteristic, time, occupation, or relationship. That is with ser. Estar is position, location, action, condition, and emotion. So one overly simplistic way that people think about it, which is not accurate in all circumstances, but sometimes people think, okay, is it more permanent? Then I'm going to tend to think it's a ser. Is it more flexible? I'm going to tend to think it's a star. Now that's not quite true, because location, if I say La biblioteca está al lado del gimnasio, the library is not going to move, okay? So again, that oversimplified way to think about ser and a star can lead you down the wrong path, so that's why it's good to flesh it out like this. So if we're looking at this paragraph together, go ahead and pause the video, try to fill in this paragraph with different conjugations of ser or a star to make it complete, then unpause the video and we'll go through it together. Alright, welcome back. Hopefully you paused the video and did it on your own, or else this is going to be weird. So, nosotros blank en la clase de español. So, notice how I'm saying we are in the class of español. We're in Spanish class. So, that is a location, right? That is a location. So, we need to use estar. Estamos en la clase de español y blank muy emocionados. So, we're still talking about us, and we're saying we are very excited. That is an emotion, okay? So again, I'm using estar. Estamos. Both of these should be estamos. Nos gusta hablar español porque blank muy inteligentes y trabajadores. Again, we're talking about we, right? We like to speak Spanish because we are very intelligent and hardworking. That is a description of us. That's the D in doctor, right? That's a description. We are very intelligent and hardworking. You could also say that is a characteristic, which again is found in doctor. So, somos, right? Conjugate ser. Somos muy inteligentes y trabajadores. Señorita Blanca blank la maestra. So, we're saying Señorita Blanca is the teacher. That's a profession, right? So, that's going to be in ser as well. Now, if we think, wait a second, profession is not in our ser versus a star, it's occupation. Occupation, profession, same thing. Soy una maestra. So, that's the O in our doctor. Y ella blank de Greencastle, Indiana. So we're saying she is from Greencastle, Indiana. Notice the difference between if I say in or de. In means in, de means of. So for example, if I say soy de Mexico and estoy en Mexico, those mean very different things. Estoy en Mexico is I'm in Mexico, but soy de Mexico is I am from Mexico. Finally, ella blank delante de nosotros para enseñar. She is in front of us to teach. Ella está, that is a position. She's in front of us. Está delante de nosotros. I highly encourage you guys to go back and study these words. Delante de, debajo de, al lado de, etc. I think that was Unit 3. Unit 3, so good things to review. Other paragraph. Go ahead again, pause the video, try to fill it out on your own. Think through, does this relate to doctor or does this relate to place? Then unpause the video and I'll go through it with you. Alright chicos, so hay muchas llamas en la clase de español. Billy blank nuestra llama favorita. So this is a description, or it could also be a relationship, right? He is our favorite llama. So either way, that's going to be ser. Billy es nuestra llama favorita porque él tiene muchos colores. Él siempre blank en la clase con nosotros. So we're saying he is always in the class with us. And by the way, this is Billy, okay? In case you forgot him from earlier. Here. Siempre, so we're saying he is always in the class. So that's a location. Él siempre está en la clase con nosotros. Again, that's the L of place. El blanc la llama de señorita Blanca. He is the llama of me. So again, that is a relationship or a description. Es, right? We need to use ser and conjugate it to fit el. El es la llama de señorita Blanca y blank de una amiga de señorita Blanca. Well, here we have the word de, which is always telling us if someone is from. Okay, so that automatically links us to origin, which is ser. So es de una amiga de señorita Blanca. He's from a friend of señorita Blanca. El nunca blank enojado. Nunca blank enojado. He is never angry. That's an emotion. That's the E of place. So we need to use a star. El nunca está enojado porque blank una llama tranquila. So we're saying because he is a tranquil or a peaceful llama. So that is a description or a characteristic, which are both in doctor, which relate to ser. Okay, so again, if you have not taken your notes for doctor and place, please do that because that's going to help you from here on out. Porque es una llama tranquila. Nos gusta Billy. Again, if you need those notes, here they are. Pause the video, take them down. Last thing I want to do with you guys today is we need to review ir a plus infinitive. When I was going over your guys' written exams, I realized that we do not really know what this is, okay? So, let's talk about the near future. Near future is something that's going to happen soon, okay? Like, I'm going to reteach the near future tense to my next class. Notice that saying I'm going to. So I'm not doing it right now, which technically I am. But this sentence I'm saying I'm going to soon, right? The near future. They are going to be excited to relearn this great tense. I'm sure that's true, right? He is going to ask me a question and I am going to respond. So again, not happening in the present, but it's happening soon in the near future. We are going to enjoy a good 3-day weekend. So which is the near future tense? I learned Spanish or I am going to learn Spanish? Well, I learned Spanish is a present tense, so I'm going to learn Spanish would be my near future tense. What about this? Which is the near future tense? They are going to walk to Walmart soon or I walk to Walmart? It would be they are going to walk to Walmart soon. That's my near future tense. Which is the present tense? I eat lunch with my friends. I am going to eat lunch with my friends. Well, I eat lunch with my friends is present. It's happening right now. I'm going to eat lunch with my friends. That is going to happen soon. Something I'm going to do in the near future. Notice how every time I say going to and then an action. Going to and an action. Remember that the translation of go is ir. And the translation of to is a. So in Spanish, we use a conjugation of ir, which means to go, a, which means to, and then an infinitive, to say what we are going to do. So first step, we're going to conjugate the verb ir, which means to go. That's yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, and ellos, ellas, ustedes van. Second step is just add the letter A, which translates to right? So, voy a, vas a, va a, vamos a, vais a, and van a. Third step is you just gotta add an infinitive. What is that person going to do? You can never have a conjugated verb after ir a, okay? So, voy a comer está bien, ¿sí? Pero voy a como no está bien. No está bien. We can never conjugate this verb. So which is grammatically correct? Voy a pasear en el parque or voy a paseo en el parque? The answer is the first one because we have a conjugation of ir, the letter A, and then an infinitive ending in an AR, ER, or IR. Okay? This one is conjugated, so it's incorrect. Which is grammatically correct? Ellos van a correr mucho or ellos van a correr mucho. It's going to be the second one because we have an infinitive after our conjugation of ir, the letter A. Ir a infinitive. They are going to run a lot. This is incorrect. So translate. Nosotros vamos a beber jugo. We are going to drink juice. We are going to drink juice. Now, if I just said vamos a beber jugo, it means the same thing. Nosotros is just reiterating the fact that this is my subject. But I could just say vamos a beber jugo. We are going to drink juice. How would you translate nosotros bebemos jugo? That would just translate as we drink juice. So this is present tense. This is near future tense. We're going to drink juice versus we drink juice. You are going to watch a movie. Translate that to Spanish. Do you guys remember your vocab words? Tú vas a ver una película or tú vas a mirar una película. Ver and mirar can both mean to see or to watch. Ver means to see, mirar means to watch. Now, you could also just say vas, you are going, vas a mirar una película, vas a ver una película. Last slide, chicos. Translate, she is going to study for Spanish class. Ella va a estudiar para la clase de español. Va, she is going, a estudiar para la clase de español. ¿Sí? Bien, chicos. That's all I have for you today. Go ahead and do your homework by clicking on this link here. Again, remember your OCMC is due next Tuesday. Adios, chicos. Hasta mañana.